Hi, my name is Klaus. I'm an inspector today. I inspected this vehicle for you. Overall, vehicle is in a good condition for the Cat S vehicle. It's low mileage. Its interior is clean, and everything on our infotainment system is working. The mileage is original. However, the structural damage has been affected on this quarter panel, behind the quarter panel. It's been repaired not to manufacturer standards and industry standards, but I would consider satisfactory. There's still structural marks from previous damage evident, but tires are excellent, discs are good, the alloy wheels, all the brakes front and back are good. So it's the bodywork. There are a few things, you'll see them in the pictures, and there is a few chips in the paintwork which have been color marked, and a few corrosion spots. I would recommend treating whenever you desire. That is pretty much the vehicle. And crack on a bumper. So I'm gonna go for the road test, so I check everything on the side. And vehicle's drivability concerns, if there is any, I will write it in a summary. You'll see a few marks on it, but alloys are good. There's bites of tires on it. Consider it acceptable. Thanks for using us. We'll talk on the phone.